Hi, this is Usma Hafiz. Welcome to my channel TSP Tech Series. TSP stands for Teachers, Students, and Parents. I made this channel for teachers, students, and parents so that they can improve their teaching and learning using different digital apps and tools. So, let's start learning. You know that mathematics concepts are all based on timetables. So it is very important that timetables should be on learners' fingertips. Memorizing timetables makes it far quicker and easier for children to work out maths problems in their heads. Now, there is no need to go for the traditional methods of memorization in which the learners used to count on their fingers, like 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4. I'm going to tell you a very interesting and very interactive way to learn timetables. Parents can also help their kids to learn these tables at their homes. The activity provides a large multiplication square, simple to use, allowing students to explore the timetables in a fun way. Teachers can use this multiplication grid on an interactive whiteboard for classroom discussion. So let's start learning, but in a different way. First of all, open browser and type this web address. You can find the link mentioned in the description below. The visual representation allows children to learn and grasp timetables very quickly. So first of all, let's understand its interface. Let's see how to control this multiplication square. In the initial manual mode, simply click anywhere on the grid and shapes will move in or out to make the product. Alternatively, click one of the numbered buttons, random button for a random product. Then you can click on arrow button to move to the next value in the multiplication tables. You can click this cross button. It empties the table square. Now let's see how to modify timetable's appearance. You can change various aspects of the interface. Click this toggle button to show all the products like a traditional multiplication square. You can select the grouping directions for shapes. Click head buttons to show or hide the number buttons. Click side shapes button to toggle whether to show shapes that are not in the square either on or off screen. Now let's see shape numbering. Initially all the shapes have a number. This can be turned off using the number style control. Choose none to turn off all the numbers. All shows all. Last shows the number on the last shape, which is same as the product answer. And you can also choose sequence to show multiples. Now if you can see, there is an automatic mode. To start automatic mode, simply press play button. This will reveal the time slider. Now the activity will run automatically through all values. You can adjust this slider to change the speed. This can be used to go through whole sets while children repeat the values. This activity can be used as a reinforcement. I hope you like this interactive way of learning timetables. Enjoy with your kids. I will come up with some more interesting tools next time. Subscribe my channel if you want to learn latest ways of teaching and learning. Thanks for watching.